You love ice cream? Give ice cream a hug, say, I love you, ice cream.
I love you, ice cream.
If you love pizza, say, I love you, pizza.
I love you, pizza.
All right, so now we're going to give ourselves an energy hug. So, anybody here know about energy, do Reiki, energy work, or anything like that?
I know about it.
Some of it? Oh, you know about it? You've heard of it?
I've done Reiki.
You have? Okay, awesome. You've done Reiki on somebody, or have somebody do it on you? Okay, awesome. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get to experience energy. So, now I see, what color are my hands? Purple, like red. So I'm a Reiki master. We've been doing it for about 15 years. There's constant energy going through my hands on a continuous level, and everybody has that power because we're all human beings. Yes?
Yes.
I don't have to put holy water anymore. Okay. Nobody do that. Okay. All right, so rub your hands together. And then what you're going to do after, so we're creating right now what? Friction. Friction is heat. And heat is energy. So now cup your hands, pull your hands apart. You may feel something, you may not. What I want you to do is just kind of sit with this. Tell me if you feel anything between your hands. Not so much of a tingliness, but more of like if you were to push your hands together, do you feel something pushing apart? Yeah. Okay, good. Let's get weird. What about if you tried to pull it apart? Would you feel it pulling you back? Yeah. Okay. How many of you have no idea what's happening right now?
I know.
Awesome, congratulations. Okay, good. So let's do it again.
The last time I was doing this, I got a
No. Take pictures, videos, everything, whatever you want. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so ready? Okay, good. All right, ready? Everybody hands together and cup your hands. Pull them apart. And just see what you feel, or feel what you feel. Does anybody feel anything? Okay. So
I feel what I did before.
what did you feel before?
Just like the pulling and pushing.
Pull your hands apart a little farther. Let the energy kind of flow back and forth a little farther. When you're pulling your hands apart, do you feel resistance?
I feel it pulling out.
You feel it pulling out?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you?
Me? I just felt it this time, not the last time.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, so let's let our hands go. We're going to do it one more time, okay? So what you're doing is you're rubbing your hands together. You may feel, all right, let's take a one second. So when I do it, I feel like, you ever take two magnets and you rub and you put like the same side together and it's like like that? So that's what I feel. Look, we constantly exude, there's energy all over us. Animals have energy, plants have energy, we're constantly energetic. So being able to do this, one of the things that I do is when I do this, I pull my hands apart. I move my hands a little bit because some of these kids are 2.5, 3 years old. If they don't feel it, I want them to really like vibrate when they're doing it. And then I have everybody give themselves an energy hug. Everybody go, I love you, me.
I love you.
Okay, let's do that one more time. Now we're going to mean it. Rub your hands together like this. Pull your hands apart. Feel the energy or don't feel it. Doesn't make a difference. And pull your hands apart. Give yourself a big hug. Everybody go, I love you, me.